Here is how you can update Google on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it and show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So it depends on which Google service you are using. As you can see in my case, I have plenty of different Google apps, right? I have the built-in one with the G logo, or not even built-in one, but like the flagship app. There are also other Google services as well. But if you ever want to see if you are running the latest version of those apps, it's best to search for them inside of the App Store, right? So if you go to the A icon on the blue background, you can see that I have the ability to type in Google into the search like that, and you can see all of the different apps. For example, this one, the search, the app you use to just open it up and search for stuff, right, and search with images and so on. You can see in my case, it does tell me that there is an update available. So I have the ability to click on update like this. I don't have to confirm my identity or rescan the face or anything. It just downloads the latest version, and now it's going to be up to date. You can also read it below, like it's telling me that 2 days ago the update has been released, and it's mostly bug fixes and performance improvements, right? And they are telling you exactly what's up, right? So that's how you can update it. As you can see, it kind of like failed, so I had to redo it, reconfirm it. But it usually works fine. You just have to wait for it to be installed, and then you are going to get the latest version. So you can get inside, and then now it should work better. So that's how it works. And of course, you can update every other Google service as well. So we have, for example, this bundle in here of everyday Google apps, right? And there are things like the Chrome, Google Photos, and so on, right? So it depends on which apps you are specifically using. For example, Gmail, there is an update for Gmail, for Maps, right, and so on. So you can just update your apps like this if you want to. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.